Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove extra blank spaces in your Wix website. Let's get started. First, go to wix.com and click on Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in with your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID account. This action will bring you to your Wix homepage, where you will choose the website you want to edit. On the website that you want to edit, click on Select and Edit Site, and this will lead you to your site's dashboard. In your site's dashboard, click on Design Site up here. This action will lead you to the Wix website editor. So let's say this is your site, and if you scroll down here, you have this section that is completely blank. So if you want to delete this section, just right-click and then click on Delete right here. Next, let's say in this section you have this empty space down here and you want to remove all of this. So you can just easily remove this by dragging this icon right here. So as you can see, it says you can adjust the section height or double click to remove any extra space above. So you can adjust it by dragging it like that. And if you want to remove all the extra space, just double click this icon. And as you can see, you have removed all the extra space from this section. And once you're done removing extra spaces, just click on Save up here to save your changes. And then click on Save again right here. And that is how you can remove extra blank spaces in your Wix website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.